Losant's template library contains a variety of pre-built components that can be easily imported into your application. Enterprises across different industries will always have unique requirements to support their applications. However, Losant recognizes that many pieces of functionality within an IoT application are common across various types of IoT solutions. The template library provides the pieces that allowed Losant developers to build an application faster and enable quicker entry into the market. Templates contained within the library can be imported into both new and existing applications with little to no additional configuration. These templates will allow Losant developers of all skill sets to implement advanced features and functionality and take advantage of best practices for architecting their IoT applications. You can find templates like an experience workflow for users who have forgotten their password, a data simulator application workflow for spoofing GPS device information, a Google Maps component for your experiences. We've also included Losant's entire custom node catalog. And of course, there's many more. Let's take a look and navigate to the template library. Once in the catalog, you can start browsing for anything useful to your specific use case and application. If we start from an industrial equipment monitor application template, today, if a user forgot their password and wanted to request a new one, it would require significant development work to implement this feature, even though a forgotten password request is common across many applications. With the template library, we can import the forgot password workflow by simply clicking on it to view the additional details and then importing it into your application. This will import a copy of the template into your application for immediate use. Each template within the library has documentation that provides details on how to implement and configure the template. Depending on the template in question, there may be a small amount of additional configuration to get it up and running, but we're talking very simple tasks, such as enabling an imported workflow or invoking your new experience component within one of your pages or layouts. And as you can see, with minimal configuration in this template, we've added 2 application globals and added a line of HTML to our login page layout. We are able to easily extend our application and now have implemented a forgotten password workflow into the experience of our application for our users.